In order to adjust the volume level of your alarms on your iPhone, what you want to do is open up the clock icon as you see here and make sure you have an active alarm. So hit the plus or addition symbol in the upper right-hand corner to create a new alarm. Set that for whatever time you want to wake up, and then go ahead and go to sound and adjust the sound that you want to use. Go down to ringtones or use one that you've purchased at the top there and find the one that you want to use and just select it. Now we're going to get out of the clock app. So just swipe up and go out of the clock app. Now we want to search for settings and open up our settings app and go down to where you see sounds and haptics. It'll be right here under notifications or towards the bottom, and then go to sounds and haptics. The one that you want to adjust is the one there where it says ringtone and alerts. You can go ahead and drag left to right on this slider to increase or decrease the volume, and you can hear how loud that's going to be. Just remember, when you do this, it's also going to adjust the volume level of your ringtone as well. And once you've done that, you can go back to your clock app to make sure you have the active alarm set. Go into it, make sure your sound is set, and if you go to sound now and choose a different tone, you're going to see the increase or decrease in volume on your alarm. If you have any questions, put those in the comment section below. There will be a pinned comment with frequently asked questions and problems that you could run into. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.